In today's video, I'm going to be trying to help people get sales like this by going through different Redbubble shops, reviewing them and helping people to get better, as well as helping you guys watching to learn what little things you need to do to improve your shops. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shop. Now, if you do happen to be new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any future videos. And if you're looking for any extra information, down in the description, I've got a free print-on-demand starter guide, and alongside that, a paid step-by-step guide for anyone looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing. If you have a shop and you want it to be reviewed potentially in one of these videos, there's a link down in the description that allows you to submit your Redbubble shops. I do my best to get through as many as I can, so you can only imagine how long it will take, but I'll try my best to get through as many of them as possible. Jumping straight into this, we're starting off by the Funny Dude. That is the name of the shop. The banner looks fairly cool and the logo seems to somewhat go with the banner. You can see the yellow on the smiley face and the yellow in the banner there. It looks like they've got a TikTok as well as an Instagram page, which is something I always say to people you can do. It just takes away from time on making designs sometimes. Design wise, they have 843 designs, which is great to see, accompanied by a featured collection at the top as well as some collections just below, which is always good to see. The designs they're making look really bright, look like they stand out, and they're things, in my opinion, I feel would actually get some sales. And with this kind of shop, I mean, scrolling down, I can see they've got 527 results, and I'm pretty sure obviously this shop is doing well in regards of sales. So in regards of maybe boosting the sales, what this person could do, could have a look at one of their best-selling designs to see if there's anything else linked to that particular niche that they can jump into. But before we go into that, I mean, looking at the rest of the shop, I'm seeing a variation of different products. The stickers, t-shirts, phone cases, a variation of things. I'm liking the fact that they've got some what looks to be scalable designs from what I can see here, and the fact that they also have sticker packs implemented into the shop here. Now, this design here has been titled Loki Quotes and Sticker Pack. Now, this one could be a bit risky depending on obviously what you've put in the tags. So you've put low-key, burdened with glorious purpose. I'm not too sure if this is the name of a film. Things like this sometimes pop up under trademark. This may actually pop up under trademark, so you need to be careful when making designs like this. The idea of using a sticker pack is very great, mainly because sticker packs do perform well. And let's say this was another niche, it's doing well, and you've created a sticker pack. Ask yourself how you can potentially create maybe some image-based sticker packs that may be similar to what you have here with the text, as sometimes that's what allows you to get that slight little edge. Scrolling down, I can see this is only available on 23 products. Even with sticker packs, you want to be activating on all products, mainly because people will still buy. Some products may look weird with the sticker pack, but trust me, people still buy. So don't question it, just activate them and watch the sales come in. You'll be surprised. Besides that, I mean, with the tags, there's things that could be fixed in there. Like I said, trademark keywords, you do not want them to be in your tags, as they do pop up for trademark on Redbubble's end. In terms of the title, Loki Quotes, I mean, I don't think this would pop up under trademark, so it's okay then, but you definitely need to fix up the tags a little bit. Besides that, the shop looks really good. I mean, 800 designs, it's not easy to come by. With this kind of shop, you want to be staying on top of your top 5 to top 10 best-selling designs and seeing what other things are linked to that niche that you can make designs for. That's the best, and I feel like the fastest way this shop's going to continue to grow and maximize on the data that you've already picked up from the 800 designs you have. Next up, we have this shop here. It's called Amputee, coming in with 349 designs with a very cool looking banner and logo. It all matches up nicely, looks very professional if you ask me. Scrolling further down, I can see a featured collection and I can see more collections just below once again, which is great to see. Different in regards of the niche that they decided to cover, and it's not something you see well too often. Nevertheless, a lot of the designs I'm seeing are popping up on a t-shirt. Got some sticker based designs in there, but mostly t-shirts. I'm not sure if they're picking their product or if they're just leaving it on the default view. That's something they'll have to look into. I've seen 70 favorites on the shop, which shows that, you know, people are somewhat coming by the shop and obviously favoriting some things. And I mean, if I was this person, first thing I'll definitely start doing is implementing sticker packs like we saw the last shops. The sticker packs make a big difference and make it a lot easier to get sales, especially when people are struggling. Let's say one of these designs, maybe this one is the best selling design. Maybe they could look to make this in different colors, maybe in a black version, maybe in a white version, to just maximize the design in a sense. Because when you maximize a design by making different versions, finding a way to maybe even make it into sticker packs, if you're already getting sales on this, you potentially get more sales moving forward. I mean, if I click on this one here, they've titled it "In It for the Parking," and they've added in a lot of keywords in there, which in a sense is going to help with the design getting found. One thing they don't want to be adding in there is keywords like shirt. There's no need in doing that, mainly because Redbubble actually does that automatically. But scrolling down, they've got a description there, pretty much the same as the title, which is something I usually advocate for. Tag wise, there's a lot of tags in there. I mean, Redbubble suggests 15, which I always say, but there's definitely a lot of tags being used there, so they may want to lower the number there a little bit. In terms of the product activation, it's activated on everything, and yeah, I think they definitely need to make other versions of this particular design to just allow them to maximize from profits. That's if this is one of their best selling designs. Overall, I like how the shop has been put together, and I like how they've kind of gone into a niche that not a lot of people would think of going into. Next up, we have this shop right here. It is called Saradro Splaleo. I hope I've said that correctly. I said it a bit slow, but I hope you guys caught what I said there. 32 designs. So this shop's got a long way to go in regards of obviously growing on the design aspect of things. The designs that are here, however, are very good, professional looking. I'm seeing sticker packs, featured collection, more collections just below, and these designs look very professional. I like the fact that they've got some cute looking greetings cards that could easily do well and actually get sales. And this is the kind of shop that needs to look deeply into the dinosaur niche to see what is performing well within it. So I mean, if we were to say potentially the sticker pack, let's say this is their best selling design, one thing they may want to do is have a look at the keywords they've used for this and see how they can implement maybe another sticker pack with different style of dinosaurs that they can obviously create using very similar keywords that will allow the Redbubble algorithm to kind of relate that design to this design that's already selling for them and push it to the front page a lot quicker. And I can see this has been titled Morrison Formation Pack. Now, I'm not too sure what a Morrison formation is. For any dinosaur lovers out there watching this video, if you can let me know, that would be very much appreciated. But yeah, jumping to the tags, we've got a lot of dino related tags there. Once again, I recommend for people to use 15 or less tags, as I feel like that suffices and it does the job. It's activated on 91 products, so it could easily be activated on a little bit more. I think 95 products is the max on Redbubble, but you should be able to see 94 here when everything's activated. That's something they may want to look into. I feel like with this kind of store, pushing towards 100 designs, going with the sticker pack route will help quite a lot. And with the dinosaur niche, it's easy to find trending keywords. Literally, if you type dino, you will find a lot of things that are trending through Redbubble linked to dinosaurs, mainly because it's a popular niche. And I feel like this kind of shop could do very, very well, mainly because of the niche that it's in. Next up, we have this shop. So it is called Craze. Scrolling down, you can see one design in a featured collection. I've got more collections just below. And I mean, this shop currently has 48 designs from what I can see. I always recommend people to obviously get to 100 designs. And as for the designs, I'm seeing that a lot of these designs aren't PNG based transparent images, if that makes sense. For example, this looks to be a white image with an image in it. One thing this person may need to do is use maybe websites like Pixlr to remove the white on the background. That way it will allow this shirt or this design to be put on products of different colors without having a white square on it. If this is one of their best-selling designs, I feel doing that straight off the bat could most definitely help to increase sales. Designs like this usually tend to look quite better on things like posters, but when it comes to print on demand, especially with Redbubble, I feel like they need to be taking a little bit more care when it comes to what products they show these designs on. From what I can see with these designs, it looks like they've kind of started to get a grip of how to create designs without a background on, and I feel like with their designs, they just need to make sure that they do more of this. Once again, this could be a new Redbubble seller as they only have 48 designs, but I feel like going forward with more designs like this, maybe even on sticker packs, will allow them to do quite well. They've only got 7 favorites at the moment, so the shop still has room and time to grow. They need to stay consistent, and I would advise them to keep making designs similar to this on stickers and along sticker packs just to help to get those sales up. Right, so I've clicked on this design here. It says, please let this be important. I left my game unpaused. Right, so when it comes to niches like this, especially the gaming niche, you want to look to see what's trending, mainly because this sub niche of gaming where it talks about, oh, I paused my game to be here, a lot of people have been doing it for a few years now, so the competition is very high. But you want to be looking to see if Redbubble suggests any keywords that feature gaming or games that you can use in your tags or your title, and more people will find especially designs like this, because people in this niche like simple designs like this. As for this particular design, I like the fact that they've added a description. It's only available on 93 products, so there's one product that's probably not activated that needs activation there. Tag wise, I would say they've done a fairly good job in regards of the tags. They'll just need to add more trending based tags that are in relation to this niche, and I feel like if they do that more and more, and it's really easy to do that, the main keyword can usually just be searched on the search bar, and Redbubble sometimes, if something's trending, will actually suggest related trending keywords. So that's something they can definitely look into moving forward. Next up, we have this shop here called Dylan Jones Designs. Now, first thing that kind of jumps out at me is the banner. It's a little bit blurry, so that's something that might need to be fixed. I've actually made a video talking about banners, and I'll put it down in the description for anyone interested in that. Besides that, the logo looks pretty cool. I mean, it's high def, so it stands out quite a lot. They've got 62 designs, a featured collection, and more collections just below. I'm seeing birthday designs, sticker packs, which is always good to see. From what I remember this person's telling me, they told me they've not received any sales as of yet, although they're 45 favorites, which means people have some sort of interest in the shop. They have a few designs that I remember from niches that were popular, things that were doing well, but one thing that kind of interests me is maybe how they've gone about the titles, tags, and that sort of thing, which we'll get into in a moment. The sticker packs that look fairly general. They look like they're in niches that are very competitive. So when making sticker packs, that's something you want to do. You want to look for niches that aren't as competitive to jump into. Now I'm going to click on this design here. This is a design I actually spoke about not too long ago, especially this design style, and it says badminton : so this is a scalable design where you can literally change the sport as well. So yeah, looking at the tags, I can see they put badminton related tags, which is always good to see. But I feel like, especially in this niche, they need to be finding other keywords in this niche just to help them boost their tags, so they're close to 15 tags, which is the recommended amount by Redbubble. Now, if we search badminton on Redbubble, there's 13,000 results. Now, to obviously stand out in a niche that's fairly big like this, you want to be jumping into the sub niches that are showing. As you can see, they try to jump into this sub niche. Another thing that could happen, or another thing people can do looking to jump into niches like this, is to look at other keywords that are suggested there and to actually implement them into their keywords. For example, badminton fan, if we click on that, there's 1,063 results. Badminton lover, maybe a bit more, 2,814, but still less than the 13,000 we saw. And badminton team, as you can see, the results are still less than the 13,000. My point here is it's important to implement keywords within your niche that have low competition if you want more people to find you, and if you want to put yourself up against less competition to increase your chances of getting sales. But besides that, this shop just needs to keep going. I feel like the closer they get to getting to that 100 design mark, the more information and data they'll have in regards of what people actually want from them. Right guys, I'm gonna leave it here for today. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to watch another shop reviews episode, I'm gonna put it right here, so check that out. I'll go through more shops the same way I did in this one. If you want to see more, down in the comment section, comment down more reviews and I'll get to it. And always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.